when you create your page, this is a very, very initial creation of a page. I made this just for this video.
This video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy.
What it's going to show, there's really nothing on it. What it's going to show you is, look at this on the left side, is going to say create a page username, and you can say maybe something like cool page hello. This is just a test, so it doesn't really matter. But when you create this, first, in your case, you can have your brand, and you can additionally have a keyword or two just for the URL to have the keyword, but just your brand is fine. Now, when you click create name, you're all set. This has been created. And so now people can search, you see, for that in Facebook. In this search on top, if they enter that, they'll know. So if they search for your brand, your page will come up, and it's actually going to be your URL as well. Just to show you that, I got out of the presentation mode, and now you can see the URL, and you can actually see that the URL of my page on Facebook just has that. You see facebook.com and the username that I gave it. Now you cannot change it now, so you can only set it up once. So before you create your page, make sure that you create it intelligently. So the choice would be either your brand is perfect, or maybe something you want to get discovered by. But generally people have it as their brand, and that's enough.